Okay, folks, here we are. Darren Brown with Darren Buys Homes Cash. We are closing on 2780 American Avenue, Sacramento. We closed this property that was owned by a landlord, and we closed in 7 days. And this is day one of the closing. And so let's go take a look at this property. As you can see, there's no front window to this property at all. It's going to need a lot of work, need the entire roof. Landscaping totally trashed. Let's go take a look at the inside. We have estimates of at least $100,000 in repairs for this property. This is all the stuff that was left behind. This is where a window's gonna go. Pretty small place. Need a total trash out. This is a window opening up to the kitchen. And do something special with that somehow. Just all rinky-dink heater. Probably not doing nothing. This is the kitchen. Bedroom one totally needs trash out. All this garbage in here. Needs new windows, new roof. Oops, tripping over stuff there. This is the bathroom. We're going to totally redo all of this. It's going to be looking nice when we're done. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the laundry. And this is the 2nd bedroom. All this trash in here. All that's got to go out. That's extra, you know, adds up for the cost of repairs. And this is a tiny 3rd room. Gonna need landscaping. It's got a pretty small yard. But we're gonna work some magic on this. I'll show you the goal here. We're done. When we're done, this is the neighborhood. There. And we're done. It's going to be looking similar to the next door neighbor right here. We'll have another video probably in about 60 days when this is all done. This is Darren Brown at Darren Buys Homes Cash. You can reach me at 916-300-7962. If you're looking to sell your home fast for cash, we buy it in any condition, as you can tell. Okay, Darren Brown with Darren Buys Homes Cash. We bought this home back in July. Just really got a chance to do some rehab on it in the last month. This is 2780 American Avenue in Thomas. All new landscaping, front and rear, siding, lights, inside and out. Let's take a look. This was a total disaster. I claim this to be the ugliest house I've ever bought before. Now it's one of the best. New windows, lights, grand entry. This was a total disaster before. Now look at it, sweet. Got a new water heater, all appliances, quartz, lights, flooring. Each bedroom has the combo AC heater, new lights. 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but it's all dialed out. So small, maybe an office, a small bedroom for a child. Workout area. Master suite has its own AC heater combo. And backs out to the, has its own little deck. Chill out in the backyard. Landscaped. Looking nice. This is it. 2780 American Avenue is hitting the market today. 45 days in the rehab. If you're looking to sell your home fast for cash, call Darren Brown at 916-300-7962.